Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to find something on the page on your Microsoft Edge mobile. For an example, I just want to know where is a word called Microsoft in a page. So it will be show every Microsoft where it should be hint and also have a highlight on the page. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. Find something on the page on Microsoft Edge mobile, just do this option. It's so useful. So here I just going to search as about car, okay, BMW. Okay, so I just going to type as BMW about an Wikipedia. So okay, then I just search it as here and I just open a BMW about in Wikipedia option. Now I just need to find where the BMW of every just want to find the owner name. So click on this three dot option and just want to just swipe down, and you will see an option called find on the page on the bottom here. Click on this find on the page on this here. Now you will see option on the top, so I just need to find the owner. Just type as owner, so it will shows the mark about the owner of the BMW. It's simple. If you just need some answer on a page or particular article, you just type and it's easily you can just, for an example, I'm just going to type as CEO, so it will show where the CEO mentioned, and you can see there is a 4 CEO words here, so you can just easily find the answer about the what you just searching for. It's simple way you can just elaborate your search option and make simple and make a solution on a quick way. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.